Yeah! Look at that, Ducati 698 RVE. Good shit. Yeah.
Do you think you could reverse park my car?
Afternoon and good evening to you. It is a beautiful day. Decided let's jump on the Husky for a little ripski, a little cruise. Absolutely no destination right now. Just figured it's Sunday. Let's go on the bike for a few minutes. Get some air. Get some of the 701 in you. Because if you've never ridden this bike, it is addicting. It is so addicting, this bike. Man, how to describe it? It's just so much fun. You just always want to be riding it. So, anyway, just a little taste of LA today on the bike. What is that? It's like something very LA. Was it Prada ice cream? That's something new. Don't think I've ever had that one before. Anyway, this is these are some of like the back little streets in Venice right now. That's a cool house, huh? Look at those. This is called the Venice Roundabout. And here we get into like the heart of Venice Beach. This used to be a fun sushi place. A lot of these places were a lot of fun years ago. Now they're not. Jeep. Sweet Aston Martin. That guy's giving it the beans. It's Sunday today and there's usually, yeah! Look at that, Ducati 698 RVE. Good shit. Nice. Nice, that guy knew what was up. We looked at each other and it was like, boom. That's a really sweet bike, the Ducati. I was looking at it. I was. Ultimately, I went with the 701. I always wanted the 701. I like the platform. I like how the LC4 engine is just like a tried and true engine at this point. Look at this genius. What are you doing? But I mean, the Ducati's cool. One thing I don't really like about it though is this is totally personal taste. I don't like the design so much. It's a great looking bike. It reminds me a lot of the Aprilia. What were they called? The Aprilia old Supermotos. The Dorsa something? I forgot. But it reminds me a lot of that, which is a cool looking bike. But I like the looks of the Husky better. I like the engine. I like how the torque down low on the Husky really snaps. The Ducati, I heard, is more linear. It's more on top of the rev range. But, yeah, a killer bike. Killer bike. I love seeing some content that people ride. There's this one guy I've seen on YouTube. Gorgeous roads out in South Africa. And he has that same bike, the RVE one. And, man, it looks fun. It's a cool bike. I can't believe on the standard one, though, it doesn't come with a quick shifter. That kind of blew my mind. You know, you're spending that much money on, like, Ducati's new Supermoto and they didn't throw a quick shifter on it? Like, you know? And that one has the Termagani, fuck, man, what is it called? Termi, I'll just say Termi dual exhausts, which are pretty cool. Anyway, cool bike, but I am super happy with the 701. I would not, if it was line-to-line keys with both of them, I would 100% take my Husky. Someone the other day commented on posted an Instagram of just shifting around town, actually using the clutch, and they said, why are you doing that? Speaking of quick shifters too, let me tell you, this is just from my experience. I'll start with the Husky. The quick shifters, you really got to be on the gas. Like, you got to commit to it, right? You can't just kind of so eloquently say it pussyfooted, or else you're going to get like a false neutral, or it's just not going to register. So little things like this, you know, when you're just cruising kind of like around town, not giving it full gas, just traditional shifting with the clutch is perfect, I think. When you're really opening it up on the throttle and just like giving it full gas and going, like right here, if you were like there, no problem, right? But you're not doing that all around bends and you know, in town with cars around you. It's not good. It's not a good decision, at least on the Husky. So, and also, you know, I'm gonna go a step further and say my quick shifter on the Tenere works exactly the same way. So I've only had quick shifters on this bike and my Tenere, and they both work exactly the same. So I would say if you're not committing to the gas, you know, it's not the best result. The Blipper, on the other hand, 100% smooth, going down all the time. You see, like right there, I did the quick shift, and I was on the gas, but not really, and it's not smooth. It went, but it's not smooth at all. Like, it's nowhere near as smooth as just using your clutch. Anyway, look at this view, huh? Isn't this awesome? Little cruise through Marina del Rey. It's twisty. Here we'll hit the gas a little bit. You see, fully committed on the throttle, absolutely no problem. Butter smooth. No problem at all. But, you know, you're not weaving through traffic and slowing down doing that. Anyway, I'm going back to the whole the whole clutch thing. This is a nice spot. Come in here and see if any cool boats are in here. Came in here a few months ago and there was a massive yacht in the back with a helicopter on it. It was wild. It looked like something out of a James Bond movie. Anyway, it's a nice view. That thing is pretty sweet, huh? Look at that. Man, I love this bike. Love it. Yeah?
Do you think you could reverse park my parking?
You want me to reverse park your car? Well, you mean like put it into a thing?
Into the garage. If you can.
Okay.
I made the mistake of realizing I can't reverse park.
What do you mean by reverse park?
Like, just pull into a parking space in there, like, tail first.
Oh, okay.
Or
Do you have a spot you wanted to?
I have a spot, I just can't do it myself.
Oh, okay. Sure, I can help you. Is it right there?
It's right there. I'm so sorry, guys.
Is it your parking spot?
Yeah, it's my parents.
Right, okay. Are they here?
Oh, yeah, it's him. I think he was here. Oh, it's him. Yeah, I think he was here.
Okay, alright. Yeah, you know, that just seemed a little... I'm not gonna say, like, I don't believe her, but I don't know. Something could happen where she could say I scratched her car, or, you know, some kind of weird insurance thing. Who knows? You know, there's a lot of weird people in this world, right? And a lot of them are out to scam you. Like, a lot of them are not truthful people. So, who knows? I would love to reverse that car, that girl. I would love to... I would love to help that girl. But I don't know if it's worth it. Anyway, I'm sure she'll be fine. Yeah, I don't think that chick got that guy to do the car either. Just saw her running away. Let's go get a coffee. We're gonna head to probably my favorite little coffee joint spot in this area. It is a nice one to sit outside, and yeah, you can't go wrong on a nice day, a nice ride, getting some caffeine in you. Well, that's my plan, so let's do it. Yes. Oh my God, did I go the wrong way? I might have gone the wrong way. No. Oh my God, I think I did. I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, we got to go back this way. Alright, so we got to go this way. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, let's go get some caffeine.